Skillbilly Productions. Not only does he paint them, he washes them too.
That's right. Back to the bank.
You painted half the side?
Yes, sir.
Like the front half? In the metal too? Did you replace the metal?
Yeah, the first 3 panels.
First 3 panels,
Yes,
and you painted them.
sir.
You did really good work. Did you know that? And you wash. Huh. Skillbilly Productions.
How you doing?
Wow. Yeah, you can see right there. Looks better than the factory.
You're not even done yet.
You might be going far in this world.
Well, I've been quite a ways already, I think.
That's got to be a little bit unnerving to have to paint stainless steel brand new that's been polished. I'm sure you have quite the trick to it.
Yeah, you learn a lot of tricks.
A lot of tricks.
Save a lot of hand banging.
Slide that back.
We got us an XL with the rib panels, stainless. You got to scratch it to paint it. This is a trick that I'm not sure if I formulated it. Not even veterans know about this one here. This is a 3-inch DA with a Velcro backing pad, yellow foam polishing pad, sticky back 180. Watch this here. Watch. It happens real fast. Look at that. That is scratched. All in the rib, all the way through. Damn fine trick. Y'all welcome.
All right. Thanks a lot, Skillbilly.
Sorry.
You always taking work?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Always.
Skillbilly Productions. Out here in Kentucky.
Get off. How do I do with it?
Oh, I don't know. That's fine. You don't want it to go away. That way people can find you. All right. Well, I wish I was driving this back to Arizona.
Appreciate the kudos, sir.
Yeah, you do really good work.
Panels, stainless.
Hey, let me hold on a second.
That's fine.